Project consultant. Project consultant who is an embodiment of knowledge. He is an asset to every organization. Means he will have a lot of knowledge about the project. He provides a guidance as well as the direction to the project. Means how the project should go on and how this should be directed. And the project consultant starts working from the formulation state, means the beginning stage, to the end or a completion state, and the post project evaluation state, means after the project is completed, what is the status of the project and what it will be evolving around. So those all details or those all informations or guidance is provided by the project consultant. Nowadays the project consultant services are essential and they are also available in countless manner. There are a lot of consultancies. You must have heard about TCS, Tata Consultancy Service. So one of the consultancy. So that is outsourcing consultancy. We will discuss about that one. Now the question comes is why we need a consultant. When a project is with a new technology and when the in-house consultant is incapable of meeting the requirement of the project, when there is a no in-house facility available in the organization and the project is executed on the basis of imported technology and know how to avail the advantages of expertise available with the outside consultants. Now the question comes is here, we'll just generalize the things and we will discuss what is the need of a consultant. Many times what happens, the existing organization may try to go with the new technology. They may change a lot of technological things, maybe machine wise, maybe service wise. In those situations, the persons who are already involved in the company or in the enterprise may not be having any idea about the project. Suppose assume that you bring a new machine to your premises of your company and you will not be having idea how to operate that machine. For that you need a consultant. It is regarding the machine. Similarly, there are many areas where the enterprise or organization may not have any idea how to operate those things or how to use those things. Then they should go for consultants or consultancy services. Now if you talk about the different jobs of the consultants, what are the main jobs of the consultant? First one is preparation of feasibility report. So the question comes is, what is the feasibility? Feasibility means possibility here. The job consultant has to prepare the report of completion of the project so that they should assure the management or person who starts a project, okay, this project will be done in this manner and it will be completed in this way. So they should have a feasibility report. They should have a techno-economic report, means the required technology, what is the economic thing, all these reports they have to provide for a company. They should have a complete project report. Suppose assume that, so you may be thinking, what is a project report? Suppose assume that you want to start an industry. That is also a project. You want to start a new project. New project means, suppose assume that you want to start a plastic company. We want to start one company where the plastic products are manufactured, and you want a loan for that. So you need to prepare the project report. What will be the machineries cost, what will be the building cost, and what will be the monthly sales. Means the projection. You have to project and you have to give the project report. So the project managers or technical consultants will do that. He should provide a detailed engineering and consultancy services. Should provide a detailed commercial visibility, project monitoring and control, supervision of erection and commissioning report, should provide the post commissioning services. Means after completion of the project, what type of services they will be providing. So such things are, these are the jobs of the project consultant. Now let us discuss about well-known consultancies. First one is Tata Consultancy Service, which provides a consultancy. It's not a software company, it's a consultancy service company, TCS what we call. Then we have Birla Technology Services. They are all, many of these are computer related companies. They hire the computer science students also. Then Dastur and Company Limited, Kirloskar Consultancy Limited, metallurgical and engineering consultants. Like that, there are different consultancies who provide the service on respective fields. So these are some of the well-known private sector consultancy firms.